Attorney, unsay kalahian sa free patent o CLOA title? Well, dagan actually sila distinction, no? But as to applicable law, ang free patent is governed by the Commonwealth Act number 141 or the Public Land Act. While ang CLOA, it is governed by the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Law. As to purpose, ang free patent, it grants ownership over alienable and disposable public agricultural land to natural-born Filipino citizens who are in open, continuous, exclusive possession in concept of an owner for a period of 30 years. But in CLOA, it does not require such a period. It gives ownership or it redistributes land to landless farmers or tenants. Ikatulo, ang issuing authority, ang free patent, it is issued by the DENR. Well, ang CLOA, it is issued by the DAR, okay? And also, as to restrictions, ang free patent, wala na restriction because RA 11231 already removed the 5-year restriction sa mga free patent. But sa CLOA, naagyapon restriction period nga 10 years. Pasabot, you cannot sell, convey, or transfer the property for a period of 10 years except for hereditary succession or when allowed by the DAR. Ikatulo, as to land use. Sa mga CLOA titled property, kinahanglan i-cultivate ni siya for agricultural purposes, but sa free patent, not necessarily required. Okay? So I hope that's clear, and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.